walked in the door and my heart skipped a beat. Sunlight hitting that finish like a spotlight on a dream. Couldn't stop staring, hand over my mouth. The Hardwood Guys turned our house into a masterpiece. No more hiding rugs, no more dim regret, just wide open. Wow, I can't forget. First look at these floors and I fell in love. Mirrors shine magic sent straight from above. Kids sliding in socks, dogs doing zoomies all day. Every room feels brighter like the clouds rolled away. We're living unhappy, barefoot and free. These floors make us smile every time we breathe. Hardwood Guys, you gave us more than wood and stain. You gave us the moment our home smiled again. Mornings dance into coffee, evening lights glow. Family photos popping like they're putting on a show. Kids say it's amazing and laugh till they drop. Never knew a floor could make the good times never stop. First look at these floors and I fell in love. Still get that rush every single day. I walk on 'em, laughter echoes louder. Love feels brand new. And these floors turned ordinary into something we run to. We're living unhappy, barefoot and free. Our family's favorite place to be. Hardwood Guys, you nailed every dream we had. Best thing we ever did.